Hi, this is Tina. Welcome to the Crafty Muffins. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will see how to make this craft foam purse. Materials required for this DIY are craft foam, Velcro magnetic buttons, hot glue or super glue, lace and rhinestones for decorations, scissors, pen and a ruler. I'm using craft foam measuring 12 by 8 inches. This is the standard size of craft foam that is available in the market. Here I'm using a textured craft foam, but you can use regular craft foam as well. To start off, mark 10 centimeters and score a line like so. Fold the sheet at this 10 centimeter mark. From the other side, mark at 8 centimeters and score a line like so. Also, fold the craft foam at this 8 centimeter mark. Take any circular object and make rounded edges as shown. Cut the rounded edges. To decorate the purse, I used this pearl string. I stuck the pearl string to the sides of the purse like so. After I stuck the pearl string to the sides, now it's time to glue the sides of the purse to each other. I also added the pearl string to the edges of the flap. Glue the Velcro to the flap like so. You can also use magnetic buttons. The base structure of the purse is now ready. We can go ahead and decorate it. Is now ready. You can use this as a wallet or as a pencil case. You can also use it to carry your phone, or you can use it to store your jewelry. I hope you all liked this video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you did, and please let me know in the comment section what you think of this DIY. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.